Good afternoon, Brian with Grand Roofing. We're going to do a quick flyby of this property we just finished up here. Back out and you can see what we got going on here. The guys finished a little bit ago and pulled out of here as I was pulling in, getting everything loaded up and ready to get out of here. But this is a day-and-a-half job, pretty sizable. It is a Duration Flex shingle we put on. I'm sitting in the truck here because I'm kind of hot. Been out running the magnet doing my final check around this property here. So we're going to fly around, pan around a little bit, let you see the property, what we got going on, kind of talk about it real briefly. And we'll try to wrap up here pretty quick. So it was 96 square, I think I brought, 96, 98 square, something like that. It's sizable. We do have a little left over because I knew we were going to be doing this a weekend, trying to get this done, so I ordered heavy. It is Saturday, June 8th, I believe, 2024. Started yesterday, got everything tore off on the back side, kind of from that raised wall there on the left side of the screen by the chimney, around the entire back and on the triangle on the far right. Got those all off, cleaned up, dried, loaded, roofed, and moved around to this front side up here on the right side front. Got that all tore off, cleaned up, dried, started roofing last night. And then today, with the second Liberty trailer, 16-foot Liberty trailer, got the rest of the front side there and all of that garage coming out. I don't have the final tally yet, but it was over 90 square because we had, like I said, 96 or 98 square delivered of just shingles. There's probably 3 square in the back ordered heavy in case we had bad shingles, ruined something, whatever. And some starter cap, sheets of wood, pallets, a lot of pallets. That's why I needed the third trailer actually. First 16-foot Liberty trailer got all the back. The second Liberty trailer got this front side. And then this, my other smaller trailer is just getting the leftover sheets, pallets, all that stuff. But let's do a quick fly over here real fast. We put it in slow cine mode. It's a beautiful property. We'll kind of go around close real quick, talk about it, and then we'll do a further higher back, kind of looking at the roof and all the property here. What we tore off, I don't know. This is really granularly. I've done some before, a couple during. Couldn't be around too much yesterday because I had my little girl with me. She's only 6, can't just like get up there and roof. So we brought the other trailer for the guys to keep moving and had to get her back for food and everything. But all in all, not bad. Tearing it down, cleaned up, done in a day and a half. Like I said, it was over 90 square. What we put back was the Owens Corning Duration Flex. So it's a polymer modified shingle, which does have the UL 2218 Class 4 hail rating. The color is Black Sable. We'll go back in on it here in a minute so you can see the color close up. It might be my drone screen, but when I was talking to the homeowner, they were here earlier, and I was talking about the color, there's a little bit of an earthy look to it. It's not just black like Onyx Black would be. I think it looks pretty cool, but it's kind of hard to see here on my screen. I think we had like 9 sheets of bad wood, removed a couple of power fans, and put it all back. It's all ridge vented here. 8/12 pitch, nothing crazy steep, but steep enough you want to be careful, especially when you have a 2-story like this. The walkout basement's out the back. You don't want to have an accident with that. So play it slow, just be safe, be efficient. How do you want to race? The tortoise of the hare. Just being efficient, having a good steady pace. Oh, that pool looks good right now. Well, it's got the cover on it, but yeah, I'm just hot. Every job I do, I always go back and run the magnet, double check everything. You know, quality control goes a long way. Clean ground, that's what people pay attention to. And then obviously you want to do a good job so you don't have those callbacks. You also want to watch the quality of the install, making sure all your flashing everything's in the right areas so you don't have leaks down the road. Did put a couple videos out recently where the nails are in the wrong area, and yeah, they don't leak right away. I've had people I've worked with over the years be like, Bub, that seal strip's supposed to seal those nails. Actually, no, those seal strips are to hold down the shingle, and they stick near the nails that are pinned down into the wood, Mr. Obvious. So if they're not in the right area and they're in a keyway, what's going to happen over time is they're going to waller out, rust out, and you got leaks everywhere. So quality control, big for long-term reputation. Just avoiding it from good inspections and doing a final check on everything can avoid all that. That's how I've been able to build this reputation up as quick as I have. Let's come close in real quick on this color here so we can get the good visual of what a sand dune looks like. Duration Flex sand dune is the color. If you get up close on it, again, it might be the sun on my drone controller here, but it does have a little bit of an earthy look to it, kind of variation throughout the shingles, whereas Onyx Black, it'd just be pretty daggone black. All of the flashing, or I'm sorry, not flashing, the fascia and soffit and gutters, all that's going to be done. There's another guy that actually has got this job, but he didn't want to mess with the roof because it was too big. So he's going to be changing all that out, changing the color. It's going to be more of a color like what's on this counter flashing we did right in here. It's a lot darker. Let's pan out and go up here real quick. We'll do another fly out farther. Actually, let's go around. Look at this side of the chimney. It's a little wall there that needed flash, and then the chimney that had some issues going on with that, so we had to see if I can zoom in on there. Yeah, it's new counter flashing. So it's all new step flashing, ice and water in those areas there, and then the counter flashing is all new and ground into the brick stair stepped. All right, let's pan out and go back real quick here. If you liked the video, if you could, give it a quick thumbs up. It really does help support the channel. It takes a lot of time to edit these things, do this. I might try to get the before, a little bit of the during, and then this after shot here. And if you like the kind of video you're seeing here, it was filmed on this, as I'm doing right now, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. It's a nice drone, good economical, affordable drone for what we use it for. I'm shooting in 4K right now. I don't know if that's what I'll render in, probably. Just takes a little while, a little more time. If you like the drone and you're here because of the drone, you want to see what the 4K drone shot looks like, I'll leave a link down in the description where you can find it on Amazon or somewhere online with Google. Same with the other few little things like the ladder, standoffs, my telescoping ladder. Usually I put the links in the description down below, so check those out. If you haven't subscribed and you like the kind of content, hit the subscription button, ring the bell so you're notified when the next comes out. And I do apologize for all you faithful viewers that have been commenting lately, hey, am I still alive? I haven't been posting. I've had a lot going on. I've got the new building I've been working on, building out, building the office, renovating the house on the property. The winter was pretty mild, so I've been trying to work. We've been really busy, just had a lot going on. I do appreciate the support, and if I've missed comments, I apologize, especially on Instagram. It's weird. It'll notify me of comments, but does not let me click on them to see them, so I apologize. All right, I'll probably wrap it up here in just a second. I've got to stop to get the pictures I need, so I do get plenty of during when I can, before definitely, during if I can, and after shots so I can kind of compare. So, all right, again, as always, I appreciate it for the like, subscribe, and everything, the content, the support of the content I'm putting out here for you. So until next time, be safe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.